YouTubers. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Murray lawnmower. It's model MP21450HW. Picked this up at Walmart and for $79 on sale. So we'll see what we get for $79. I do have small lawns, front and back. Here's the front, and here's the back. So let's take a look, see what we got. That's how it's an easy installation or easy assembly. So don't mind me, it's cold outside. We're in Carson City, it's still cold, we're expecting rain soon. The lawn in the back is starting to grow. So, alright, let me get the camera off the tripod and show you this. Alright, so this is the handle, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, easy. Look at that, it's almost put together already. And then, yeah, let's take her out of the box and see what we got here. Looks decent. It's a mulching type lawnmower. It's not, doesn't have a bag. I suppose you could get a bag for it. 21 inch. It's a, is it 4.5 horsepower? That'd be pretty good if it was, huh? Not even sure. Didn't care because, like I said, for $79, I wasn't going to worry about the horsepower too much. They used to be 3, now they've gone up. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. Alright, I wonder if it's got oil in it. Think so? No, it does not. Because it gave me a small engine oil. Is this all it's going to take? Do I need more? Okay. Alright. Hold that later. Didn't seem too bad. Let's get this out. Alright, well, I found the nuts and bolts for it. And alright, so here's the deal. I went and looked at the manual. The manual does not have this model number for capacity on how much oil. They do give you a 15 ounce bottle of oil, and all the models, even though it's not this model number, they say the capacity is 15 ounce. This is 15.5, but whatever. And here's another problem. The oil intake is way over here, and you can't get a funnel in there. So what I'm going to do is I got this hose. It's for sprinklers, and then I've got, and this won't fit in here at all, but it will fit in that hole. So I got one of these, which is like a plug for these water lines, and I'm going to insert it in here. Hopefully it's not too cold and won't give me a hard time. Don't mind me. Just keep it wet. Yeah. Alright, so now what I got is this. Except, let's see. This. This. This should be good, right? Yeah, I'm in there really good, so that's what I'm going to do. Bring the hose. It's pretty clean in there. I'm sure. No dirt going in there. And we're going to put the whole thing in there and see what happens. Then we can check the oil level with this when it's done. And see where we're at. Alright, so here we go. Alright, here we go. Make sure I'm in the hole correctly. And then make sure this is clean. Still clean. Feels a little gritty. Hold on a second. Gotta be clean. Now let's do this. Again, making sure it's in there good. I'm going to go really slow because I don't know how fast I can take this oil. So here we go. No spills, no messes. Give it a chance to get in there. So far so good. Yeah, I don't know why they put that thing way in there. How do they expect people to put oil in these things? That is crazy. Alright. Put this somewhere so it doesn't make a mess somewhere. There's an arrow right here, I don't know if you can see that. And there was oil above it, but I think that's just one right on the sides. Touching anything. Back in. Oh yeah, right there at the arrow. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to zoom in when I do some editing. Alright, so we got oil. Now I'm going to use the gas. Alright, let's get some gas. We got her. You got to push on this stupid thing and then push the whole thing in like that. What a pain in the butt. Alright, so here we go. Try this again. dare try it. Alright, so get things out of the way. It says to pump this thing 3 times. It says 3x. I'm assuming that means pump 3 times. But because it's new, I'm going to give it plenty more. Let's see what it does. Alright, we ready? This is better here. Almost. There you have it, folks. It's working. I'm going to go in the backyard and see how it works out. Alright, I just raised it to the 3rd setting, the height to the 3rd setting, so I'm not sure what it's going to do. We'll find out. Alright, well, it's not doing a whole lot because it's not really, the loud's not really high, but it will serve my purpose. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.